How to unarchive a story on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to unarchive a story on Instagram. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app and make sure you are logged into your account. Then go to your profile by tapping the icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on three-line icon at top right corner of your profile, and from the settings and privacy section or story section, you need to simply scroll down and select archive under how you use Instagram. So these are all your story archives of Instagram. Simply you need to choose any of the story archive and then tap on the three dots at bottom right corner and then tap on show button. So you can simply adjust the story, zoom in or out and move it if needed. The date will also be shown here at bottom of the screen of this particular story. So you can either do this or you can simply add it to your highlights as well by tapping on the highlight button. Once you are done with the adjustment, you can tap on your story at bottom left and your story will be unarchived. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.